guys, here's Claudio from Visual Model WordPress Themes, and in today's video we're gonna learn how to import a pre-built website, how to have a pre-built website into our WordPress website for free, into a simple, fast and effective method using our Visual Model Borderless WordPress plugin. All into a simple and really fast method. When you first install WordPress on your host, on your web hosting, you're gonna be able to see a page, something like a page like this, okay? A simple page with no content at all. And how to have a pre-built website that you can customize from this. First thing, navigate your WordPress dashboard. Normally, it's your domain.com, your domain.net plus WP admin. You're gonna need to log in with your username and password. Most of the hosts already install WordPress for you for free into a simple way, and you all have to do is log in from there. After, you're gonna be into this page right here. Review the left sidebar of menus and hover a mouse over appearance and click on themes. Into the themes, you're gonna be able to see the add new theme button. Review the upper right corner of your screen. There is search themes. Type right here and zoom, just like this. And here is the guide that you're looking for. Click on install now and click into the activate button. Then you're going to be redirected to this welcome page. We have essential plugins. All we have to do is click on install. Click on install and activate plugins. We have two plugins to install. Borderless, click on install. Return, click on activate, then Elementor, click on install, return, click on activate, then review the left sidebar of menus on your WordPress dashboard and click on welcome under Enzo once again. Elementor will try to make you create an account on there. Nothing to worry right here, just click into the X button into the upper right corner of your screen. There is an X button, click on it. Go back to your WordPress dashboard, hover mouse over Enzo, click on welcome. Then access full library, pre-built websites. And then you're gonna be able to see a couple of websites that you can click and have a pre-built website. For example, the plant shop or the yoga, for example. We can preview the site. And in the case that you want, you can import the site. All you have to do is click on import. Congratulations. Then you can start customizing or visit your site. Now you have a pre-built website with some page, some contents, and you can play with by clicking on Edit with Elementor. As soon as you do this, you're gonna load a page or you can drag and drop elements and see how it gonna looks like. And all is mobile responsive. You can skip this step, click right here to change the content, click right here to enter a link to your text, change the image, the content, the font size, everything into a simple, fast and effective method, and all into a very intuitive way to customize your page. And that is. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to use the comment section below in the case that you have any question, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. All the best.